Hi guys, step number 2 for the Flawless in 5 makeup kit. The first step, we said, was the Dew Skin or Twin Skin. You get to choose one of those. Step number 2 for the Flawless in 5 makeup kit is the concealer pen. Currently, there are 6 choices for the concealer pen, but wink, wink, I know that there are probably some more choices coming out pretty soon. So there'll be more color choices. This is one of my favorite products. Specifically, knotweed extract helps preserve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines. That's what's in this product. We're using that knotweed extract inside this product instead of using what a lot of concealer pens have, which is retinol palmitate, which may be linked to cancer. So, which is our mandate, right? We're trying to get safer products into the hands of everyone. Also, this Touch-Up Concealer Pen is unscented, gluten-free, and nut-free. It blends perfectly, and I just remember before when I'd have a concealer pen, I'd get 10 clicks out of my old pen, and Beautycounter, 1 click, same amount of coverage. And it's not heavy. Sometimes you put concealer pen on and then it's just really, really heavy. So I was talking about it in the overall video that one of my favorite places to put it is just, look at what that did. Just by the corner of my eye. It's a place that people miss a lot, and it makes such a significant difference when you get it. I mean, without it, that's a purple corner in my eye, which makes your eyes sit back further, which makes you look older. So people that are younger, they don't have this dark part right there because there's more, ooh, a little bit too much brought it. There's more collagen, their skin is a little thicker because your skin gets thinner as you get older. But man, if you just pop those 2 spots out, it makes such a difference. Boom. Ta-da! So concealer pen, amazing product. I put it here, I put it in my T-zone right there. Sometimes I'm a little red here, and I put a little bit on my chin, maybe a little bit here in that dent. I pat it on with my ring finger, pat, 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 pat. And then usually I'll cover it with a little bit of translucent powder, just on the spots that I don't want to be shiny. Just know that this takes about 100 clicks when you first get it in the mail. You just gotta click, 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 click. And this is step number 2 in the Flawless in 5.